Hello friends, myself Ravi. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will learn everything about HTML. So HTML is widely used to develop the web application. It provides the structure for the web application. If you go on internet and you see every website without HTML, it is not possible to develop the website. So without getting late, let's dive into the tutorial. So first, we will take an introductory look on the HTML. What is HTML, why it is widely used, and things like that. So let's get started. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. So HTML is not a programming language, first of all, it's an markup language. Okay. HTML is the standard markup language for creating web pages. So in order to create web page, we use HTML. Okay. HTML describes the structure of web page. What does a structure of web page means? So suppose your body is made up of a skeleton and the muscles, right? So a skeleton is the HTML for a web page, and on the top of a skeleton all the muscles are the CSS thing. Okay, so I hope you understand what does a structure of web page means. So in order to develop the web pages, we need HTML. HTML consists of series of elements. So whatever you see on the UI, all the elements like paragraph, text, images, links, all are HTML elements. Okay. So HTML provides you a series of elements. HTML elements tells the browser how to display the content. Okay. So we write HTML element using something called tags, which we will see in the next upcoming videos. So those elements tells the browser how we can display the content. Okay. So HTML elements label pieces of content such as this is heading, this is paragraph, this is link, etc. Right. So we can show these things using HTML elements. So that's all about the introduction of HTML. So in this tutorial, we will see everything that we need to know about the HTML from start to the advance. You will see all the basic tags and everything, forms, lists, tables, and how to add images, links, videos. So these things we will see in this tutorial, and I hope after this tutorial you will know everything that you need to know about HTML to develop the web application. HTML makes it easier to develop the web application. So developing the web application is not as difficult as it is said. After completing this tutorial, you will be able to develop the web application using HTML. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you have any question regarding this tutorial, you can comment it below. I will definitely try to answer it. If you haven't subscribed our channel, please do subscribe our channel to get more updates. Thanks for watching.